First one of the day, a little upholstery cleaning and carpet cleaning using a Nike 1000 steam action machine. Nice and slow. Let the water get into the fabric. We're using this new mighty upholstery tool that has no squeeze trigger. It has the round turn on, turn off there. Seems to be doing a decent job. I'm still tossed between this and the Rotovac Shear Dry, which is very like the Sapphire Scientific tool, which we will have all these upholstery tools for you to check out and try at the class on May 5th and 6th in Reading, Pennsylvania at the Carpet Cleaning World University class, where you'll also get a certificate for being trained on carpet cleaning, all methods, hot water extraction, portable and truck mounted. We will have the OP machines featuring Trinity's Phoenix machine. We'll also have the 10-inch CRB, the 15-inch CRB, so you can really learn how to agitate and even do some brush and bonnet cleaning. We'll also have portable machines there for you to really learn and see the faster ways and the most effective ways for you to do portable carpet cleaning, and basically where you should be marketing if you have a portable machine. Maybe you shouldn't be marketing to residential homes. Maybe you should lead those to the truck mount hot water guys. Maybe you should go after commercial businesses that, you know, have 30 and 40 flights of carpeting with different apartments and hallways and things like that. So we're going to get into explaining wherever you are right now in the carpet cleaning business, you should be marketing for the equipment that you have that will best get you the best price and also the best results, so you're not killing yourself trying to take portables up and down flights of steps and a whole lot of filling and dumping. There's not much you can do with portable carpet cleaning about filling and dumping, but there are easier ways and places that you should target if you're a portable carpet cleaner, as well as a OP machine carpet cleaner and a brush and bonnet with a CRB machine. Like, we're going to get in and explain all of that for the best results for your marketing dollars. But anyway, Jordan is doing great. We're cleaning this upholstery set right now, and then we have 3 rooms of carpet that we'll be doing. So just wanted to show you what our first job is like. And you know, you definitely want to get some EDDMs. All of these are coming off of our Facebook and our EDDMs. I see Johnny just went live, so I'm not going to suck up all the time, because Johnny and I are going to be going live together tonight as well. I'm going to invite Courtney Lee back one last time to see if he wants to join us, and maybe Mark Johnson, and maybe Jason Anderson. I just don't want it to be a panel, and maybe Quentin Riley. Hey, what's going on, Quentin? I don't want this to just be always you guys listening to me. I want you to listen to some other very busy names. I don't like to use the word big names in the industry. I like to use the words busy names in the industry. You see Courtney working all the time. You see me working all the time. You see Johnny Johnson. Maybe we can get Quentin to join us tonight. Quentin Riley, that is. Another Steam Action owner. And him and I are on our way to being good, close friends. Maybe Mark Johnson, our resident tile and grout guy. Maybe Jason Anderson, our resident end cap guy. Whoever, whatever. I want this to be a panel of everybody. Someone that uses a portable every day for carpet cleaning. I'm trying to get them up on the panel. I want it to be versatile, and I want it to be exactly what it is. The carpet cleaning world. The carpet cleaning world. So hopefully we'll see you tonight. I'm going to help when Johnny and I go live with whoever's going to join us. And I'm going to help Jordan get this one in the history books. You take care now. It's time for you to get a truck mount. You can still have your portable. It's the time for you to also invest in a truck mount. You just don't know how much faster, I'm going to just leave it there, how much more work you can do with so much better results. That's all I'm saying. A lot faster with better results. Time is money in this business. I'll see you tonight when Johnny and I go live. You take care now.